In a small greenhouse, nestled in the corner of a bustling garden, lived Tommy, the tomato plant. He often felt dramatic and whiny, frequently lamenting his current condition. "Oh, the sun is too hot today," Tommy would sigh, drooping his leaves as if performing his own Shakespearean monologue. One sunny day, as he felt particularly under the weather, Tommy looked longingly at the tall trellis his neighbor Cucumber clung to. His wilted vines and the drooping clusters of unripe tomatoes told the tale of his woes. "I'm but a shadow of what I ought to be," Tommy moaned. That's when Compost arrived on the scene, his booming, confident voice echoing from the large barrel by the greenhouse. "Fear not, Tommy," said Compost, his rich aroma wafting through the air, "for I shall revive you." Enter Sneha, the cheerful and knowledgeable gardener. She was the host of the successful gardening channel, always eager to turn the ordinary into extraordinary. "Good morning, dearest Tommy," she chirped, kneeling beside him with her gardening tools in tow. "Compost, my faithful partner," Sneha said with a nod. "Let's show Tommy the wonders of your power." With a flourish, Sneha reached for the shovel, scooping some of the hardy, enzyme-rich compost and gently mixing it into Tommy's soil. Tommy could almost feel the compost's nutrients waking his roots, tingling through his system. Excitement danced in Sneha's eyes as she explained to her camera audience, "Composting provides vital nutrients to plants. It sees to it that a plant like Tommy here can reach its full potential." In the days that followed, Tommy began to feel a transformation. His leaves perked up, turning a vivid green, and the tomatoes that once sulked on his vines began to plump and ripen. His dramatic monologues subsided into contented hums. "Oh, what a difference in the world," he declared. As months passed, Tommy became the pride of the greenhouse, showering Sneha with ripe, juicy tomatoes. All thanks to the nurturing touch of Sneha and the invigorating power of Compost, Tommy had rekindled his zest for garden life. Sneha smiled, tending to him with pride. She addressed her audience, and that, dear watchers, is the magical transformation compost can bestow upon your garden, a true testament to nature's cycle of life. Tommy basked in the newfound attention, no longer the melodramatic tomato, but the flourishing face of the garden's success story.